Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about werkwoorde. That is verbs in Afrikaans. Now you may be thinking, verbs? Really? But verbs are super important and we use them every day in all the stuff we love, like gaming, making TikToks, and scrolling through Instagram. Let's jump in and explore all the different kinds of Afrikaans verbs or werkwoorde. First up, we have selfstandige werkwoorde. They are the main verbs. They are the stars of the sentence. Just like the main character in your favorite game or movie, they are the ones actually doing the action. For example, in Afrikaans, ek dans op TikTok. I dance on TikTok. Hy speel elke dag. He games every day. So if you're telling someone what you're doing on social media, gaming, or even at school, you are busy using selfstandige werkwoorde. Now, let's talk about oorganklike werkwoorde. These are fancy names, but they're not too hard to understand. Oorganklike werkwoorde are transitive verbs. These need an object to make sense, just like your phone needs Wi-Fi for some apps to work. For example, ek kyk YouTube. I watch YouTube. Sy ontwerp klere. She designs clothes. If you say ek kyk, someone could ask you, kyk wat? What are you watching? You need to specify what you're watching, otherwise there's no sense to it. Onoorganklike werkwoorde are intransitive verbs. They don't need an object. They make sense on their own. They have built-in Wi-Fi. For example, ek lag. I laugh. Hy spring. He jumps. It's just like saying I laugh when watching a funny video. Everybody understands the action. You don't need to explain it. Next, we have infinitive. You should remember infinitive as the last part of stompie. Infinitive is the infinitive verb form of a verb, often used with words like om to show intent or purpose. Think of it as setting a goal. For example, ek hou daarvan om te dans. You can't just say ek hou daarvan, you must say what you like. Hy beplan om medies te studeer. He wants to study medicine. Just saying hy beplan, he plans, doesn't mean anything. You need to say what he plans. Next, we have hulpwerkwoorde or auxiliary verbs. These are like your game controllers. They help make things happen. Auxiliary verbs help other verbs to give the sentence a specific meaning, like a time or a mood. For example, ek kan dit doen. I can do it. Hy sal kom speel. He will come to play. Words like kan and sal help the main verbs in the sentence. Now, let's look at deelwoorde or participles. These can describe things or tell us more about an action, like a social media post that gives extra details. We have two main types in Afrikaans: verlede deelwoorde, past participles, and teenwoordige deelwoorde, present participles. Now, let's look at skeibare werkwoorde or separable verbs. These are verbs that can split apart. Think of it like a collab video where you and a friend film together but can post separately. Or they are like customizable features on your phone. They can break up into two parts in a sentence. It's like an app you can move or customize. For example, ek skakel die rekenaar aan. I turn it on the computer. Hy sit die speletjie af. He turns off the game. The verbs are aanskakel and afsit, but they are separable verbs, so we move it around to form the current structure, so it becomes skakel aan and sit af. When you add more words to the sentence, Part of the verb separates, but it still keeps the same meaning. Last but not least, we have onskeibare werkwoorde or inseparable verbs. These verbs can't be split up. They're like a profile username. Once it's set, it's set. For example, ek verstaan die reëls. I understand the rules. Ek onthou die speletjie. I remember the game. Words like verstaan and onthou don't split up in the sentence. They stay as they are. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Here are the types of werkwoorde we've covered today. Selfstandige werkwoorde like ek dans. Oorganklike werkwoorde needs an object like ek kyk YouTube. Onoorganklike werkwoorde no object needed like ek lag. Infinitief from Stompie needs om te. Ek hou daarvan om te speel. Hulpwerkwoorde helping verbs like kan or sal. Deelwoorde describing like is skoon. Skeibare skakel aan, sit af. Onskeibare ek besoek, ek speel. Now that you've got the tools to spot and use different werkwoorde in Afrikaans, you had better start using them when making TikToks, gaming or studying. Knowing your werkwoorde will level up your Afrikaans.